Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen and this is Jen's Happy Home. Today I am going to show you guys all of the gifts that were inside of my Once Upon a Book Club box, and this was the limited edition Halloween box, and there were two versions that you could choose from. One was sweet treats and one was spooky. So of course I picked the spooky with this book, which is The Haunting of Ashburn House by Darcy Coates. Really creepy. No joke, this was a really scary book. So I am excited to share with you guys all of the gifts that were inside, and I opened it as I got to the page. So I didn't wait until I was completely done with everything. It was kind of done live in the moment. And one thing I can say about this book club subscription box is it is so immersive that you feel like you're part of the story when you open these gifts. And being that this was a creepy one, and I was reading this book the week of Halloween, it really scared me. I had a couple of sleepless nights, okay? But it was fun and I really enjoyed it, and I totally want to do it again. They have a holiday limited edition box that just recently came out. Of course I pre-ordered it. I had to. It was so much fun to do this, and it's only $35, which to me is not a bad deal. You get the book and you get a few gifts to go along with it, and they're fun. It's just so much fun. So let me show you every gift that I received in this box real time as I was opening it. Okay, so this is exciting. I made it to page 14, which is pretty early in the book obviously, but I get to open my first gift. So I'm really excited to see what this is. It's actually very heavy. I have no idea. So there's this pretty little bow in the back. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. What the heck? Oh my gosh, this is pretty cool. So they're talking about keys to this old creepy house that was inherited. And these must be made out of like wrought iron. They're really heavy. And this is appropriate decor for my old haunted house that I live in. So how cool is this? Very exciting. I love it. So I'm on page 253 and it's time to open another gift. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm really scared right now. It's a really scary part of the book. And it's about these really creepy paintings that are in the hallway. So it's about 10 o'clock at night and I'm probably not going to sleep if I open this. But I need to see it. So, all right, here we go. Oh geez, I don't even want to see this right now. I'm really not gonna sleep tonight. All right. Looks like the creepy painting in the hallway that I really didn't want to visualize for real. Super creepy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. If you were reading what I was just reading, there's no way you want this anywhere in your house right now. So I unwrapped it and it's actually a real canvas painting. So it's not like a picture frame that you can put another picture in. I mean, you legit need to hang this in your house somewhere if you're gonna keep it. So, oh boy. And this character, as far as I know, up to now, is not really a very nice person. So, I don't know what to do with this. Well, so far we have the keys to the haunted house, and then we have a painting of one of the creepy people from the house. So, really great job at bringing this book to life. I will give them that. Really, really immersive. I have two gifts left and I just made it to page 273. So I am going to see what we have here. We have a magnifying glass. Is it a magnifying glass? Oh, it's a bookmark magnifying glass and a little flashlight. This is really cool. This is such a cute idea for a bookmark. So awesome, look at this. And very relevant to the story are these two items actually, what's going on right now, and a flashlight. cute little flashlight that I could keep in my purse, and great for late night reading. Really, really, this is really a great idea. So cute. And these are actually things I will definitely be able to use. I just finished the book, and page 329 is the very last page, and the sticky note says to open the gift basically when the book is over. So I am really anxious to see what this is. So far we have the keys, the painting, the magnifying glass bookmark, which is so cool, and the flashlight. So now let's see what the final gift is going to be. I think it might be a book. I don't know. It kind of feels like a book. Oh my gosh. I cannot even believe this. I am freaking out right now. I watched a booktuber last night talk about this book and literally put it on my Christmas wish list last night. First time I ever even heard of this book was last night, and I was even talking to my daughter about it this morning. That's how much I wanted it. I can't believe it. I just can't even believe it. It's actually the gift. I feel like they're in my head and they know what I'm thinking. That's crazy. Wow, I am so psyched about this. I can't even believe this is happening right now. So crazy. Well, that was satisfying. Wow. All right, so here are all of the gifts that were in this Once Upon a Book Club Halloween spooky unboxing. Awesome. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification above so that you can be updated every time I have a new and fun video to share. And I will see you guys all really soon. Take care. Bye.